To get started with the Meetup extension, first, type your search. I'll search for events in California. Next, press on the extension. We have many different functions in this extension. We will use extract events. As you can see, we extracted the events in this page. To extract more information, simply scroll down. As you can see, the more we scroll down, the more we extract. After you're done, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the auto function. Now, to export this, press on the extension again. Then, press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting the file, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to extract the details of this event. So, let's press on the extension. Then, press Extract Event Details. As you can see, we extracted the details of this event. Now, to export this, again, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted.